Today we are taking a look at economies of scale. By economies of scale, we refer to the growth of a firm or an industry resulting from expansion of the scale of productive capacity, which leads to increase in output and decrease in the cost of production per unit of output. The two types are internal economies and diseconomies. External economies and diseconomies. Internal economies and diseconomies. These are the advantages a firm derives from the expansion of its scale of production as a result of its own single efforts. As the size of the firm increases, there will be greater efficiency resulting in the fall per unit cost of output. This is also known as economies of large scale of production. On the other hand, when the firm's expansion leads to less efficiency and increase in the cost per unit of output, then the firm is suffering from internal diseconomies. Internal economies of scale, or the advantages a large firm has over small firms. Technical or technological economies. Financial economies. Marketing economies. Welfare economies. Training economies. Research economies. Managerial or administrative economies. Disadvantages of large firms or advantages a small firm has over large firms. Small-scale firms require little capital than large firms that requires huge capital. Small-scale firms can easily adapt to changes in economy's conditions than large firms. Delay in policymaking and management decision are frequent in large firms. Control and supervision is easier in small-scale firms than in large-scale firms. A large-scale firm suffers from bureaucracy which affects production process than small firm.